How's it going, everyone? The original very own unicorn back again. It is day 11 of Fish and Tackle Advent. Let's get right into it. Okay, so yesterday we did 10, which was really cool. Today we are on 11. And it looks like we got ourselves another hard lore. We got a blue eye this time, though. Let's take another package so you can better see that. So yeah, nice cool little blue eye detail. We know it's a lure, so it's gonna go with our lure case. And I think it just hang right there. And with that, another video is down. But stay tuned. The next 4 days, we're going to have a set location change. It's just a temporary thing. But until that time, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.